Reaction from the victims of a massive fire at a South Fulton condo complex after police announced insurance fraud charges against two officials from the complex's homeowners association. They're accused of stealing $1.5 million owed to victims. News Edge reporter Joy Dukes has the latest.
Yeah, the victims we spoke with say that fire was the source of so much hardship in the days and months that followed. One former resident says she and her family were shocked to learn some of it could have been alleviated with the insurance payout they never received.
Somebody was really trying to help us, and we never got any help from no one.
Jacoria Harris says her life was forever changed by the January 2020 fire that destroyed her home at Camelot Condominiums and nearly claimed the lives of her mother, sister-in-law Christian Smith, and their kids who were all inside at the time.
It's like the black smoke. It was so thick you couldn't breathe.
My nieces and nephews was thrown over the balcony to be saved.
Saved by her mother, who died just months later.
My mom got real sick after the fire. We were just devastated.
Harris says with no place to go and their belongings reduced to tattered ashes, she was hopeful Camelot's HOA president at the time, Betty Lejeune, meeting up with residents to get their information was a sign that help was coming.
She told us she would call us, but we never heard from anybody.
They didn't see Lejeune again until almost 4 years later, when this photo of her mugshot on Fox 5 flashed across their TV screen Friday as South Fulton police announced charges against her and the HOA's current treasurer, Lyndon Baldwin, for stealing $1.5 million in insurance payouts from victims.
It's mind-blowing because you never expect that to happen. Why would you want to take from people and you know what we experienced that day firsthand? You stood there with us and watched the building burn down.
Harris says the charges confirmed a gut feeling she had from the very beginning.
They couldn't even get out the back door. That's why they had to jump. And Betty knew that.
If the allegations are proven to be true, they say they want to see justice.
She needs to get what she deserves. She needs to go to jail.
Harris says she is planning to meet with South Fulton's mayor to speak about this. Meanwhile, South Fulton police say tracking down other victims has been difficult, so they are asking people who are impacted to reach out to investigators directly. That's the latest here in South Fulton. Joy Dukes, Fox 5 News.